Hello, welcome back. If you're new, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back.
What?
Anyway, you know why you're here, because you clicked on the thumbnail. So we're gonna go ahead and get started because we're not about to waste no time. Okay. Anyway, so you guys know why you're here. You're here because I'm gonna be trying out the new Fenty Beauty. This is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Soft Matte Powder Foundation. Okay, powder foundations have been around. It's nothing new, but it is new to me because I don't use powder foundations. This will be my first time ever using a powder foundation. Very interesting, very interesting. Because I don't really hear about powder foundations a lot, at least when I watch YouTube and, you know, I go out in the market. That's not something that's pushed out, pushed out to the consumer. It's not marketed a lot. The powder foundations are not marketed like that, like the liquids or, the sticks, whatever. So, anyway, a little bit about this foundation is that, let's get the details. This is buildable light to full coverage for all. So that means if you like light foundations, this should work for you. If you like full coverage like me, this should work for you. So it's long wear, light as air, increased resistance. We gonna see. And then let's see. Tell me more. Okay, it says it's long wear. Okay, we already went through that. Blah blah. It's no flashback. It says blur filter complex to deliver the ultimate blurred finish, sweat, humidity, increased resistance. We're gonna find out in a minute, because this might not be something that people that have oily skin or maybe a combination skin may not like it. We don't know. We're gonna find out. I don't have either, so I'm sorry. It is we already went over that. It won't settle into fine lines, won't clog pores, won't cake up, reduces the appearance of shine. And let's get on to the next thing, and it says how to use it. I had some Fenty primer. I don't know where it is. We're gonna have to just use some primer that I just have in one hand. I might go look and see if I have my Fenty primer, just so we can try it out, because I wanna be able to use it correctly. And I have some primer. I'm not primer, but some concealer. So we're going to use a concealer as well. I'm going to use a concealer. So I kind of want to keep it all in the same family. It comes with a sponge, which I don't know. Most people probably going to use a sponge, because some people are like, oh, that's nasty. That's nasty. Whatever. You're probably going to use a sponge and keep reusing it. But it comes with the sponge. Oh, cool. It comes with a mirror on the other side. Oh, it comes with 2 mirrors. Haha. How about that? Well, I wouldn't call this a mirror. This is I guess it is like a second mirror. Yeah, you can use both of them. But yeah, it comes like this right here in this compact. This hit everybody by surprise, because I didn't even know this was coming out. You know what I'm saying? Like, it just dropped or whatever. But it says how to apply this. You just use the little sponge that came with it, or you use a use the sponge. Use the included sponge to build to your desirable coverage for a flawless blur finish. We recommend the powder puff setting brush 170 for light coverage, for medium to full. Apply with a kabuki buff foundation brush 115. So those are the Fenty brushes. I don't have either one. So, and I don't even have a kabuki brush anymore. I don't even know. I have so many brushes. There's a lot of things I don't even have anymore. Just find very pointless. But I will just use this. Let's see. I think I'll use this NYX brush. This is just like a multi-purpose brush. I mean, it's one of my favorite brushes. This is the number 17 brush. If you can find it out there, get it. This brush is everything. Like, you can do a lot of things with this brush. So I love it. So I think I'm going to use this brush here. Yes, I love it. So it's clean too. So let me see if I have some primer. I'm pretty sure, I know I got some Fenty primer. I'm gonna use that. But also I forgot to tell you, the shade that I'm gonna be using is 420. 420 is a shade that I use in the other foundation, the first one that came out, because there was another foundation that came out. But you know, it varies, you know what I mean? I'm 420. Hopefully I'm 420 in this foundation. I'm not sure. Hopefully it works out for me. I didn't think to get a second foundation. I just did the one because I just went to what I knew. Hopefully it works. If not, I can return it, start over, whatever. But anyway, let's go ahead and get started. So I did find the Fenty concealer. I'm not concealer, Lord forgive me, primer. But I don't really feel anything in here. So I'm gonna use, which I felt like was kind of, I kind of want to use something that was closer to that consistency for that primer. So I have this ColourPop, the Pretty Fresh Hydrating Hyaluronic Acid Primer. So I'm gonna actually use this. I felt like this was a little bit closer to the Fenty. So I'm just gonna put this on. I'm actually gonna go ahead and try the little sponge first. I'm gonna do that. Let's see how this swatches. So let's see. Just a little bit. That's what I did. So let's see. Ooh. So you see it. Oh, you gotta be careful not to. What I'm noticing is that applying it with this sponge, booyah, you can't apply. I mean, you can't like stay in one area because it's gonna be very heavy-handed. There's a little one on like really dark, so I'm just gonna let you know right now I don't like that. So let's try the brush. Okay, I feel like I was able to pick up more product with the sponge, but look, it's kind of blotchy right here, and I can kind of see it. It does cover it. I can totally see it. I'm pretty sure if you're watching this, you can see it too. It looks a little red. I don't know. I actually kind of like. I actually kind of like this. Like, it does cover. It is covering like some like dark spots and stuff like that. And it is very blurring. It does. This is very different for me. I mean, I'm pretty sure like everybody else, we all use liquids and, you know, sticks and stuff like that, and this right here is giving more of a more natural finish, which I like. I actually feel like if you were to go for like a more of a natural look, I probably would go for this powder. I think this is definitely one of those things where you can, if you want to do a little coverage, you want to run out the door, I'll probably do this here over like a liquid. Just put this on and head on out the door. I mean, it looks a little dark. I don't know if I got the right shade. Like I said, I'm 420. I mean, it looks like it matches, but then again, I got the lights and, you know, camera, everything from my mirror, it looks fine, but on camera it looks a little red. So comment down below if you notice a difference. I do see a difference. I definitely think this is pretty cool. Like I said, if you're one of those people that on the run just want like a little foundation on, just kind of get some coverage, this is definitely one of those go-tos. But let's finish, because I'm gonna finish doing my makeup real quick. I'm just gonna put a little something on. Not too much, but I do want to take a picture, so I might just go ahead and finish my whole face and take a picture for the gram. Cause it's New Year's Eve and I want to take a little picture, just a little photo, nothing special, just a little razzle dazzle. But I'm gonna go ahead, do that real quick. I'm gonna finish applying whatever makeup. I'll come right back, and then I'm gonna come back later to you know, just kind of give an update on how it looks, like how it actually wears. I'm gonna wear it for a couple of hours, not too long, just to, you know, get an idea of, you know, where we gonna go. So all right guys, so I'm back. I just fit so just a little bit, not much. Okay, I know how to be doing this right here. I use some Fenty products just to, you know, kind of keep it cohesive, you know, well, consistent, cohesive, whatever. But I used the bronzer, which is, this is in Cocoa Naughty. The color is Cocoa Naughty. I used some powder, some of this banana powder from Fenty. Let me see, what else did I use? I use a I use a Fenty concealer. This is in the shade 410. Like I said, in the foundation I was 4. But yeah, that's what I use. That's the stuff that I use, and I just put some little bit of eyeshadow on and just, you know, some lashes, you know, whatever, some little lip gloss. But that's it. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I'm creasing just a little bit right here up under my eyes. And it's only been, I don't know how long it's been. It hasn't been very long that I've been sitting here. So it's not real bad, not too bad, just a little bit of crease. But anyway, I will be back in a few minutes. Well, not a few minutes, I'll be back in a few hours. I'm gonna wear this for a little bit, and then I'm not gonna do anything, I promise you. If I eat something, drink, if the lipstick is gone, it's just gone. Okay, I'm not gonna whatever, I'm just gonna leave everything the same. Well, I'm not gonna lie, you know what, I'm gonna take a picture. So I might touch my lips up a little bit, but everything else, I'm not gonna touch anything up. Just gonna wear it. It is what it is. If it started looking any kind of way, I'm just gonna leave it the way it is, so you can at least see what it looks like. Again, I don't have oily skin, I don't have dry skin, just it's pretty normal. So you'll kind of see if, you know, what happens to this foundation. I didn't put any highlighter or anything like that on, because I just, you know, I don't need it, just so you can kind of see, because sometimes highlighters can kind of make it seem like your skin is like dewy, oily, and it's not. So nothing, I have nothing on, just plain skin, just, you know, the whatever. So I mean, just a foundation with some blush and, you know, things like that, but no highlighters, none of that stuff. So you can kind of see, looking a little shiny right in here, but I promise y'all, I don't have oily skin, dry skin, none of that. So I will see you back in a couple hours. Okay guys, so I'm back. We got a verdict here. This is what it looks like after it's been like 3 hours. Not very long. Most people keep makeup on at least 6 hours. Maybe 4 to 8 on average. We'll say 4 to 8. If, you know, an average day for me, if I have makeup on, just depends on, well, if it's a work day all day, my makeup still be looking good after a whole day, I'm not gonna lie. I don't know how this will be for the next 8 hours. I think I'll be okay. It still looks pretty good. I am very impressed. It's still, you know, it's pretty matte. I don't see any spots that look the same as it did when I left the first time. I was worried about creasing. It was not too bad. Just creased up a little bit more, but not much. It's not, you know, it's not bad enough that you can't just touch it up a little bit. I'm impressed. I really am. I really like this foundation. I think I actually think this would photograph well. Like if you was do some photography, like professional, even if you just do some with your iPhone. I mean, I did some with my phone, look good, everything. I mean, still look good. I did some with my other camera that I use, my vlog camera. turned out good. So I mean, I actually really like this. At first I kind of thought it was a little bit dark, but it's not. You know, does a little oxidizing, whatever, does that. I'm here for it. I'm like Saucy Santan. I am here for it, Riri. I am living for this. That's what he said. I am living for this, Riri. But yeah, I'm impressed. I like it. I definitely would recommend this foundation, especially to those. Look, got my flask on. It's New Year's Eve, but I don't drink. But I would definitely recommend this foundation to people that just like very natural looks. Like, this is really all you need. Like, you don't need to do anything else. You don't need maybe a little concealer. That's it. You don't really need anything. Like, you can definitely wear this alone. Like, I'm very impressed. Like, it looks pretty good. Like, I looked around in the mirrors in my house. Like, we got tons of mirrors everywhere, and you know, I mean, I didn't see no different. You know, moved from light to room, light to light. Still was the same. Get stuck in the same look, same color. I love it. I'm here for it. So I definitely recommend this. I definitely recommend this powder foundation. Yeah. So I guess that's it for me. I'm about to go and celebrate right here in my house like everybody else needs to be doing, even though we're not gonna see this. Definitely moving forward into 2021, please still be safe. Just because the year changed doesn't mean that coronavirus, COVID-19, whatever you want to call it, has gone. Please still be safe out there. Wear your mask, use your hand sanitizer, socially distance yourself from everybody, you know, stay within those 6 feet. But anyway, that's it for me. Make sure you like this video, comment down below, hit the subscribe button. You know what I'm saying? Please hit the subscribe button. If you don't, it's fine, whatever. But I would like for you to subscribe and keep coming back. But I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.